This is a quick insight from Ascent regarding 1041 regulations. And most county jurisdictions are using a 1041 process as well as a full USR for permitting pipelines and major oil and gas facilities. So Section 2 of the 1041 Code is designated areas and activities of state interest. And most oil and gas facilities may be categorized as site selection and construction of major facilities of a public utility. And that's specifically pipelines, compressor stations, gathering facilities, etc. The 1041 regulations share a lot of similarities with the full USR, but the 1041 has a heavy emphasis on environmental and socioeconomic impacts of areas and activities of state interest. And like a full USR, the 1041 has a pretty lengthy and thorough process. And that process starts with a pre-application and pre-submittal meeting. And at that meeting, a jurisdictional agency will determine the level of permit review. And then you'll have your formal submittal, which follows the 1041 regulations. There are 3 levels of permit review. The first one is a finding of no significant impact, and then there's a minor and a major. And this determines the depth of your submittal requirements as you move through the 1041 regulations. If the jurisdictional agency determines that you have a minor or a major project, then you'll have some additional requirements that you may be required to comply with. But one section that everyone is required to comply with is a heavy environmental section, and that's Section 3, Part C, which is Application Submittal Requirements, and it's Item 12, which is Environmental Impact Analysis for all permits. In addition, if the planning director determines that your project is minor or major and not a finding of no significant impact, you may be required to comply with Part E, which is additional submittal requirements applicable to major facilities of a public utility. And then once your permit application's ready, you will attend 2 hearings in front of a panel. One is for the Planning Commission and one is for the BOCC or the Board of County Commissioners. And Ascent understands that the 1041 regulations is a lengthy and thorough process, but we also understand that experience and well-established relationships help it go a lot smoother. And we want to use our expertise and our connections to help ensure that your projects don't have any days of lost production due to permitting holdups and bottlenecks. So give us a call or check out our website so our team can help you out.